All right, so our first problem says, everyone who goes through the lunch line receives 1/2 of a small pizza. If 8 students go through the lunch line, how many pizzas will be served? So the first step when we're doing our multiplication of fractions is we want to write down what our problem would be. So in this case, we have our whole number 8, and we're going to times it by, because the 8 students, and we're going to times it by how much pizza they receive, which is 1/2. Okay, so that is our multiplication problem. We are trying to figure out 8 times 1/2. Now, there are a couple ways we can figure this out. One way that we could figure it out, but it might take a little bit longer, is repeated addition. We still want to set this up to show what this would look like. So all repeated addition looks like is we're going to take our fraction and we're going to add it however many times the whole number is. So in this case, I'm going to add 1/2 8 times. So it's 4, 5, 6, gotta go a little outside, 7, 8. All right, so that's adding 1/2 8 times. Now what we're really gonna focus on for this is how we can use models to help us figure out multiplication of fractions. All right, so the way I wanna do this is I know I'm gonna do 1/2 8 times. So what that means is I'm gonna color in 1/2 8 times. So I'm gonna take 8 of these halves. So for instance, right here, would be 1/2. This is 2 1/2s, 3 1/2s, 4 1/2s, 5 1/2s, 6 1/2s, 7 1/2s, 8 1/2s. And I can always look and make sure and number them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So if you look, I did 1/2 8 times. So all I have to do to figure out my answer for how many pizzas will be served is see what fractions I have here. So in this case, I see I have 1 whole, 2 wholes, 3 wholes, 4 wholes, which means our answer would be 4 wholes.